Okay, I've done this painting of Ataturk. It's for a friend of mine that lives in Istanbul. He asked for it about 4 years ago on our last trip there. We've been there twice. So we're actually going to go hand deliver this. And we're going to make a video of the whole process. So it's a very important man for Turkey. He was born Mustafa Kemal, and in 1923 became the president, and they gave him the name Ataturk, which actually means father of the Turks. He made women equal, gave them equal rights, and changed the education system, built universities, he built the whole transport system, upgraded the country. He's revered in Turkey. Everywhere you go, there's statues of him in all the squares. Gonna roll it up just now, put it in a tube, and it's the reason why we're gonna take it there. He's gonna follow us on our journeys through Turkey. You're gonna see this beautiful country. It is amazing. The food is amazing. The people are friendly. We're gonna go down to Kash, and then we're gonna go to Kekova. We'll show you the journey through Turkey. It's an absolute beautiful country. So if you keep watching, you can follow his journey. He's gonna be in a tube with us in the car, in the aeroplane, and it's an amazing man. It was actually an honor to paint him. In the background, Ataturk has really piercing blue eyes, so I'm going to use a blue background. So what I'm going to do next is put the darkest color of his face on. You can see from the reference photo, the darkest, put his face on, get the proportion of his face. That's the main part to get if his face is in proportion, the rest will be in proportion to his face. So you have to do the face first. You can't do the body or the hat, because then the face might not be in proportion. So I'm going to do the face, the hat, just the base, and then changing his military top to a more formal dress. So it's not military. So he wears a suit with his hat. Okay, you can see now I've put him on just roughly. I had to widen his face because as I slapped him on just roughly, as you start getting into the detail and proportions, you can see straight away I had to move his whole jaw out by a centimeter. And now I'm going to start with detail around his eyes, all the shine on his face, moustache, work into it. The suit's going to be a blue, but it's the dark color first with the light coming on top. And hopefully it'll look like him. Portraits, in my opinion, are the hardest art form there is. Getting the skin tones, getting proportions to make it actually look like a person. Yeah, so I'm happy with the proportions, and as you start doing the tones and the wrinkles, and it'll start looking more like him. So this is just the rough base. Okay, so we've arrived in Kash. We're here for 3 days. Today is a little bit rainy and cool, so we're going to climb up to this flag, which is on top of the mountain. It's quite a hike, but because it's ideal, otherwise it would be too hot. So we're going to just head up there now. Yeah. So here we are on the main. This is a D400. Goes all the way from Dalaman all the way around to Antalya. And over here, this is part of the Lycian Way, which is a hike which starts in Uludenese, and it's a 500k hike all in the mountains, and it goes all the way to Antalya, 500 kilometers. It takes people between 20 days and 25 days. We're just going to climb up, so they would come down here into Kash. So we're going to go up to the top, and there's a flag at the top of the mountain up there, and that mountain there, and you can see the cave it's called a sleeping giant. I'll have to give you a better angle of that though. So we're going to climb up there now. Look where we're staying, the Medusa Hotel in Kash. And we're staying here for 3 nights. If you look opposite there, that's Mace, or Castellorizo. It's actually Greece. We're in Turkey, and we've just this morning walked up to the top of the mountain. There's going to be a video obviously, and did part of the Lycian Way. It's quite a big climb up to this flag. And then so now I'm going to stick the Kash sticker on. So my daughter Demi, the famous David Bucklow, designed these stickers. And then the Lycian Way, which we did. So we're traveling around, or he's traveling around, Ataturk, traveling around his old country. Old beautiful country. People here are so friendly and the food is good. It's so awesome to be back here after 4 years. So I'm really enjoying ourselves, just relaxing. We're going to go for swim now. So take the GoPro, jump in the Mediterranean. Hee-haw! Warm. Whee! So this is our hotel over here. And then this morning we climbed up there, part of the Lycian Way. Look, oh my word, look at that. There's the turtles, don't know if you can see. Okay, we come to the ruins of Xanthos, which are probably 2,000 years old. You can just walk over it. It's an amphitheater with tombs and all sorts of structures, and you can literally walk and touch them. It's amazing. We're going to walk around, take some video, fly the drone.